If you do a scene and it still feels flat, then keep watching. So if you are doing everything and still the scene feels dull, lifeless, like something is missing from it, that's because you're simply saying your lines. Good actors, great actors, never just say lines, they do something with them. Today, I'm going to tell you 5 tactical verbs that will make your scene come alive. Keep watching. Every line that your character speaks, every line that is written for your character, is an attempt to do something to the other person. To beg, to mock, to attack, to seduce, to comfort. Something. When you choose a verb, your body, your voice, your eyes, everything shifts naturally. There is no need to act. As an example, let's take a very simple line. You don't understand me. To beg. You don't understand me. To mock. You don't understand me. To seduce. You don't understand me. To attack. You don't understand me. To comfort. You don't understand me. Before we move forward, if you're enjoying this video, click on that like button and share this video with at least one friend who you think needs it the most. Did you notice it? I said the same line, but I was doing different things with that line to the person sitting across to me. Hence, they all sound different and I didn't really have to act. Things changed within me on their own. Here's what you can start doing from today itself. Start building a verb bank. Every time an action verb or an action phrase comes to you, write it down in a notebook and that slowly becomes your verb bank. Always have 10 to 20 such verbs to pull out in any audition that you go to. Just remember to use the verbs that go with your scene in that particular audition. Now let me give you a pro tip. Every time your scene feels dead or lifeless, don't ask, how should I feel? Ask instead, what am I trying to do to them? And now it's your turn. Pick one line or 2 lines from your favorite monologue and play it with a different action verb. Play it, record it, post it, and tag me. I'll react to the best ones. Which of these action verbs surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. Also, let me know which country, which city, which town, which village are you watching this video from. It really helps me to know where my audience is. All the very best and more power and presence to you.